If there's anything I love more than eating food, it's unboxing stuff. So I got this JBL Beam 2 Wave, and that's because I misplaced my Edifier X5 Pro. I just couldn't find it. I went out with a friend to go get a new phone, and since that day, I don't know whether I left it in the bus or I left it in the retailer shop where we got the phone. Remove this seal, so there's a seal here. Yeah, we'll remove it, and I'm anxious to see what's inside. So yeah, let's see it together. Okay, nice, well sealed. Okay, it came with a manual. This manual is big. Yeah, this is the biggest I've seen in an earpod before, for real. So yeah, let's go to the main deal. Here's the main deal, guys. Yo, bro, what the heck? I can see some scratch. Is it scratch? Or let's say let's just assume it's stained from this white cover. So let's take a look at these beautiful babies. Let's see. Let me take them out. Oh, and they are sealed. So you can see that I have to remove this seal to charge them. Nice. Let's remove this seal. I said it. So this is where you charge. And then this one. So okay. So later I would test. Let me go get it plugged. Then I would go test it out later. And give a more detailed review. There's extra ear caps. So for those that have big ears, I have a moderate ear. Yeah, and then the manual. I'll go to the manual too later and know what's up. There's no Type-C cord. I don't think there is. Let me check. Usually, okay, there's a Type-C cord. Yo, sorry, there's a Type-C cord. Now I was like, bro, no Type-C cord in JBL, So yeah, there's a Type-C cord. Type-C to Type-A cord. So I don't need any other accessory here. Let's open. I don't want to tear this. I'll just go and preserve the box. I love preserving boxes of things I buy. So yeah, till next time. Bye.